Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cube like this out of Zen magnets. It's made using 6 square subunits on each face and 8 triangular subunits on each of the corners. You need 72 magnets for all the squares and 72 for the corners. In total you'll need 144 magnets. So if you have 2 different colors you'll need equal numbers, 72. So to start, you want to make 2 hexagons like this and just put them to the side, and you'll have exactly enough left over if you have one set. Next, you'll need 8 of these triangular pieces, which you make by, if you make a square like this and wrap around it but pinch it into a triangle. I find that it's easier than trying to wrap around a triangle on its own. Then to make the squares, you want to flip your chain around completely, make a ring of 4 and wrap around that to make your square. Now it's important that these are opposite polarities, so they'd mesh together if you did this, otherwise this shape won't come together right. So when you've got all 8 of your triangular pieces and all 6 of your squares, you can begin putting it together. What you want to do is take one of your squares and flip it over and add add a triangle onto each edge like so. Just like that. So you're going to take the edge of 3 on each of the pieces and just connect them. And make sure that the triangles aren't flipped over, and add 1 to each edge of this square. Then you want to take another square, flip it over, and repeat this process by connecting it to one of your triangles and then connecting it again to the opposite one. And then you can go around the entire shape and connect it to each adjoining pairs of triangles. And I'm sorry if there's any noise in the background at the moment. Now when you have this, you'll see that you have one face done, and you can take another triangle and connect it to this edge here. So you can see where these 2 magnets are, you can just connect the point of this and then lay it down like so. And you want to do that to 3 of the edges for the moment, and you'll see why in just a minute. So when you have it like this, I find it easier to put 3 on now and then the square rather than 4 and then the square. So again, flip over the square piece, connect it to one of the triangles, and it will want to fall into place. And without putting on without putting on that last triangular piece, if it goes in a bit funny or it doesn't connect right, it's a lot easier to fix. And now you can connect the last triangle just like so and finish your shape. Now this can be scaled up a little bit, not too big, it does get a little bit flimsy, and I think it looks quite nice with different colors. So if you've got, say, blue and red, it does look quite nice, and they do connect quite nicely as well. So if you want to connect these in whatever way you want, go ahead, and you can probably make some very nice patterns with different colors. So I hope this tutorial helped you and that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next week.